Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to check your mouse DPI on Windows 11 without an application that tells you immediately what your DPI is. If you are using Logitech, you can download the Logitech app, and then right here they can tell you your DPI. So my DPI right now is 800. Right now we click this away, and the first thing that we need to fix is go to mouse settings, then go to additional mouse settings, pointer options, and make sure that you turn off the enhanced pointer precision, apply, OK, click this away. Then we go to Google Chrome and search for DPI Analyzer. Then right here we click on DPI Analyzer, and right now we scroll down and fill in here the target distance 3. And I'm living in EU, so I'm using centimeters, so you can do inches if you want that. And now what's important to do is put your mouse just right here and get yourself a ruler or something where you can measure with. Then right now click on this aim button and then move your mouse 3 centimeters to the right. So right now, if you can see, our DPI is actual 894. I can tell you that this DPI measure website is not that correct, but if I show you in the beginning, my DPI is around 800 now. He shows us 894, and that is very nearby the 800. So this is a good software to check your mouse DPI without having a software for your mouse. But if you have a Logitech, then please use the Logitech application right here to check your DPI and change your DPI. So this is exactly how you can check your DPI on Windows 11. Hopefully this helps you out. Then please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.